What is project-based learning? This is a big question mark because everybody start talking about the new modern teaching methodologies and they say you need to implement project-based learning. So what is that project-based learning? The project-based learning is a teaching method that encourages a learning by activity, engaging in real world and personally meaningful projects. So this is what is called as a project-based learning. And the students will typically work on a project over an extended period of time, anywhere from a week up to a semester. It may take a week, 10 days, or a month, or a semester, and that will engage them in solving a real world problem or answering a complex question. So this is what will be given as an assignment to the students on this project-based learning teaching methodology. They then show what they learned by creating a public product or a presentation for a real audience. So by working in this way, the project-based learning enables the students to develop deep content, knowledge, as well as skills like critical thinking, collaboration, creativity, coordination, working with people, and the most important, communication skill. The PBL has also been known to unleash a contagious creative energy among students and teachers. This will lead to increased student engagement and improved learning outcomes for all the students. The project-based learning is becoming increasingly used in the schools. They have started a lot in schools, and then it has to catch up in the institutions, colleges, and universities. Many educational settings have started implementing the same. In different ways and in a varying degrees, they have started. Because the understanding of this project-based learning differs from person to person. So based on their understanding, they have started implementing in their curriculum. However, you may be wondering, what is the difference between the students simply doing a project and engaging in rigorous project-based learning? So that is a very, very important difference which every one of us, especially the teachers, should know. According to the experts, they say that it will be helpful to think about typical school projects as a desert project. The project served up after the teacher covers the content of a unit in the usual way. The project-based learning, however, is more like the main course project. In that, the project is the unit itself and the vehicle for teaching the important skills the students should learn. The educational experts are recognizing that we live in a modern world sustained and advanced through successful completion of projects. In other words, everything from our weekend course to an upcoming presentation to organizing a fundraising event are all essentially projects only. Everything, whatever we try to execute, is a project. This way of working is reflected and in the modern career trajectory, actually. So a lot of things are coming up and the expectations from the industry is changing. And that is the reason this understanding of concept has to be inculcated in the teaching learning process, for which this project-based learning is going to help a lot. For most workers, their career will be marked by a series of projects rather than the years of service to a specific organization. In any interview, the company will ask the students to talk about their hands-on experience or the projects or the real world problem solution experience. And this PBL or the project-based learning will help them a lot. Stay blessed.